Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Ulta haul. I haven't done one in a really long time. I think my last haul was actually last year, like around this time. But I really wanted to share with you guys what I got at Ulta just because I haven't done a like spending spree or like treat yourself kind of haul, if you will, in a really long time. Actually, I stopped spending so much money on things that I don't need because I was spending so much money like shopping on Amazon, shopping online, shopping on different kind of sites that I was just like, why am I spending so much money and just things that I'm not using on an everyday basis? And I was just like, you know what, I need to stop and like start saving because my ass gonna be broke. But it is my Ulta haul and I'm so excited. I got so many goodies. This bag is heavy, you guys. So let's just jump right in. I do want to talk about skincare first, which I'm so excited to try these products. First of all, I did not know about these products. Let me just tell you guys what it is. Exuviance. I don't know how to pronounce it. Please correct me if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Pronouncing it wrong. I did pick up these products from Exuviance, which is this right here. I don't know if you can see them. These products were actually recommended to me from an employee there. I went to that Ulta and I was like, I need help. I'm looking for a good toner, a good hydrating toner, and she recommended this brand right here. I've never heard of them, but now I know about them, and guess what? I know so much now that I'm just like, wow, why didn't I hear about this brand a long time ago? Because this sounds like my type of like skincare that I need in my skincare routine. So I got the Deep Cleansing AHA Cleanser and the Hydrasoothe Refresher Toner. I'm gonna show you guys the cleanser, but this is actually one of the oldest brands Ulta carries. So pretty much they've been there for like over 20 years. And this is like the first, I guess, like one of the first brands that have been in Ulta for 25 years, for over 20 years, which I think it's really crazy. And they did rebrand. So she told me all this information. So I was like, what? Like, I need to try this brand. And she told me that dermatologists, they were actually one of the first ones that discovered glycolic acid, which I don't know if you guys have heard about it, but it clarifies texture and your skin, which I think it's so cool. And I think that, I mean, they started the game, you know? So I was like, what? This is really, really intriguing and like, I'm really interested. Tell me more. And she told me so much more. I think she told me that they're very good for prone acne skin. She said that, I don't know, what was her name again? Oh my god, I forgot her name. But she said that her husband had really, really bad like acne skin, and that this cleanser cleared up his whole entire skin, which I was like, give me that, give me that. When I am not prone acne skin, but I do tend to have sometimes like stubborn acne like under my skin, and that bugs me. Like right here, I have one really, really bad. Honestly, like I wanted to try this brand, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and buy it and see. And it's not even that expensive. I think this was 30 bucks. If not, I will list all the prices down below and everything. But this is also a normal to combination cleanser, which I was like, okay, good, because I'm normal to combination skin. I'm not too oily and I'm not too dry. I'm like in between because I do have an oily T-zone and I do have like dry patches around like my outer face. I really wanted to get something that's gonna work for my skin type, and she said that this is going to be it because it's obviously normal to combination. I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit more. So jump to start your skincare routine with this foaming cleanser. Gel designed to deep cleanse and effectively remove makeup, surface oils, and impurities. The alpha and the polyhydroxy acid, which is AHA and PHA formula with glycolic acid and gluconolactone, targets and clarified skin texture and natural pH balance to leave skin feeling clean and refreshed. So it deep cleans, it removes impurities, it's soap free, and it's non-drying. Dermatologist and allergy tested. So what you do is you apply a little bit on your wet skin, and then you massage it gently, and then you rinse with water. It's recommended in the mornings and evenings, and avoid sun exposure and sunscreen daily. So I do think that when you apply these kinds of like cleansers or serums or anything like that, try to avoid sunlight. I heard that if you don't avoid it, that it will probably like really damage your skin. So I always tend to either put on sunscreen or stay away from sunlight. I'm really excited to try this brand. I'm like so intrigued by it, and they did rebrand and everything, so I'm gonna go ahead and like list all their social medias and their website, so you guys can definitely go check it out. This is not a sponsored video. I really want to try this brand and see how it works, so I'm very excited to try that. And then I also got the Relax Sensitive Dry Hydrating Hydrasoothe and Refresher Toner, and this is how it looks like. You guys, their packaging is actually pretty freaking bomb. It's like, it's sturdy. It's not like it's plastic obviously, but it's not like cheap plastic, if that makes sense. So this is the Excelviance. I don't even think I'm pronouncing it right, but this is their Sensitive Dry Hydrasoothe Refresher Toner. It has like this little, you put it on a cotton pad and there you have it. I told the girl that was, you know, helping me out, I told her that my skin is a little bit dry during the winter time, and she said that she was like, "Ooh girl, let me put you on." But this is what it says in the back: a gentle, alcohol-free, always get alcohol-free toner, you guys, always. This is the free toning solution designed for delicate, sensitive skin and to provide a hydrating and refreshing boost. Contains the polyhydroxy acid, PHA, gluconolactone, hyaluronic acid, and infusion of botanicals including oleic, cucumber, and chamomile to target skin ideal hydration and pH balance. Dermatologist and allergy tested. What's amazing about it is that it's alcohol free and it also has pH balance, so it's gonna really just balance out your skin tone, and it's also going to give you like that hydration that your skin needs. And if you are like dry sensitive skin, you guys should definitely like investigate more about this toner. And if you're like even trying to, you know, get into different toners, or you're just like tired of your old toner and you want to try something new, I definitely recommend this one. She recommended it to me. It also doesn't have a scent, so I definitely think you guys should check out Excelviance. Again, I'll list everything down below on my description box, so you guys can go ahead and check them out. I am gonna go through skincare. Your girl needed like updated skincare stuff. Like I really wanted to try new skincare. Before I talk about this brand, my mom put me on this brand, you guys. It's so good. Her skin has definitely transformed for the better. I am so obsessed with the toner. You guys, I'm like obsessed with toners. Have you noticed? But this is it right here. I'm already like done, almost done, so I had to buy a new one. This is the Lotion Tonique Chamomile and Alcohol Free Toning Lotion. They call it toning lotion because it has chamomile and it's going to hydrate your skin. Like I said, my skin has been going through it. It has been very dry, so I really want to keep it hydrating. And also when my skin tends to be dry, I do tend to break out more, so that's why I wanted to just keep it very hydrating and nice and radiant. So I repurchased it again, and I'm gonna keep repurchasing it. I do tend to go back and forth on different toners, as you guys can tell. I did get the Exuviance Hydrasoothe toner. I don't always use like the same toner every single day. I do tend to go like back and forth. I'm like that. I love to, you know, switch it up here and then. But yeah, this is the Clarins Lotion Tonique Toning Lotion. Now we're moving on to makeup finally. So I did pick up a few things that I'm very excited to try. First and foremost, I did get the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Foundation. This has hyaluronic acid. I know this is like such an old product from them already, but I really wanted to try their foundation. I never did. I was never like interested in it, but I was like, you know what? Let me see how this foundation works. And I really did want to like try a new like affordable foundation, because I've noticed that I do tend to use a lot of like high-end foundations, and I need to stop. So that's why I picked up the Pretty Fresh foundation. I did get it in the shade medium 110W, and actually you guys, I am wearing it right now, so I'm just gonna say that it's amazing. And I do have this look already up on my channel, so go ahead and check it out. I love this foundation and I really wanted to try it. I was like, I need to try it right now, like today. I got it today and I did the video today, so I was like, let me try this right now. I'm so obsessed with it. It's also a full coverage foundation. You guys will see, if you guys go to that video, you guys will see how it applied on me and everything like that, so go ahead and check it out. So the next product that I got is also from Colourpop. I actually got a lot of Colourpop things, but I got the Lippie pencil in the shade BFF3, and I'm actually wearing it today also. That's cool, right, that I'm actually wearing these products, because now you know, like, that I didn't waste my money. But I really love it. It's this shade right here. It's kind of like a brown shade. It reminds me a lot like the Colourpop in the collaboration with Makeup Shayla, but it's kind of like different. I will show you guys a comparison. This is the one with Makeup Shayla, and I'm gonna just do this. Yeah, BFF4, and this is BFF3. So let's see the comparison. You can definitely see a comparison. BFF4 is a little bit more darker, and then BFF3 is more of like a warm tone, as you guys can see. Very, very similar, but the undertone is definitely different. So I'm really happy that I got this shade right here, because I do think that the BFF is such a beautiful color, like, don't get me wrong, but I did want like a more of like a neutral everyday kind of look. So I did pick up the BFF3, and I'm very, very happy about it because I am wearing it right now, and it's now like one of my favorite shades from Colourpop. It's so crazy because back then I wasn't like a really huge fan of Colourpop. I never really dived into the brand, and now that I'm trying like their new things and stuff like that, I'm obsessed with the brand. So I'm obsessed with their cosmetics. I was never on the loop of also of like their launches and stuff, because they would the only thing that threw me off is that they were always launch different things and also collab with different YouTubers. Don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with that, but I was like, oh my god, like, it was a little bit overwhelming. So I was like, I never really like tried their products, but now that I'm like trying their products and actually like loving them, I'm obsessed now and I'm hooked. Like, I want to keep buying more. I also got the Colourpop Brow Boss pencil, and I got it in the shade Brunette. I did want to get dark brown, I think it was, but they didn't have any more, so I got Brunette. I think it's pretty close to my skin tone, not gonna lie. Like, it's a really good match. It's this one right here, and it's a really good match for my hair color, so I really like it. So yeah, and it also has like a spoolie side, which I love. I love pencils that have spoolie ends. So the next product is also from Colourpop. See, I got a lot of things from Colourpop. This is their Between the Sheets Super Shock Cheek Blushes. This one right here, and oh my god, you guys, I'm obsessed with cream blushes. I feel like my blush just stays on way longer, like the longevity of my blush stays on. But this is the shade right here. It's so pretty. It's called Between the Sheets. It's like a rosy kind of vibe, like a rosy mauve, which I really love. I do own the Too Cool for School, and oh my god, I'm wearing it right now too, and it's one of my favorite cream blushes so far. I do recommend it if you are trying to get into like cream blush. I do recommend Colourpop ones. They're so pretty. So next, I got also a cream blush. You see, I'm obsessed. I can't get enough. But this is the e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi-Stick Bronze Cherry stick right here. I got it in the shade, I think that's the name, Bronze Cherry, but it's really pretty. I will show you guys right now. So this is it right here. It's a multi-use, so I feel like you could use it for like lip balm, cheeks. Wow, that is pigmented. That is so pretty. I'm so happy I got this shade. I was not gonna get this one. I was gonna get, I think, Mango Bronzed. I'm so happy I got this one because it's like a pretty peachy kind of color. And like I said, I've been obsessed with blushes. But yeah, I'm so happy I got this shade. It's so pretty and they're so small too. They fit anywhere. Alright, so the next product is also from e.l.f. This is their Ride or Die Lip Balm in the shade Tough Cookie. Honestly, I did buy this because of Karen. I love Sarahy on Instagram and she was like, y'all need this lip balm. And I was like, yes girl, let me see it. So I'm gonna swatch it right now. I cannot wait because I've been obsessed with lip tints lately. I feel like they really just make your lips look very, you know, dolly looking, and wow, that's pretty, and it's not sticky whatsoever. That's really nice. I don't know if you guys can see it. Again, this is the shade Tough Cookie, and I'm very excited. I'm just gonna throw it in my bag right now because I know that I'm gonna need it. Alright, so the next product that I got is from Tarte. This is not a new product for me, but I did get a different shade. I usually get medium honey or honey medium? No, medium honey and medium, and also sometimes tan sand, but I got this new one, this new shade. It is the light medium honey. Usually for me during the winter, I do like a really bright under eye, so I wanted to get like a different shade for that, but it does have warm tones in it because, you know, it's this medium honey. I really wanted to try like a new shade. Like I said, I do like a bright under eye when it comes to winter. I don't know why, but I do. But this is the shade right here. I know it's a bit too bright for me, but it does have like that yellow undertone that I love and that I know it's going to work on me. And Tarte Shape Tape Concealer is like the #1, you guys. So the last two products that I got are from Essence. This is their Lash Princess Mascara. This is their volume mascara, and I actually got the same one because they did have buy one get the other one 50% off, and I love this mascara. I usually use it on an everyday basis just so I don't like use up my good mascaras, you know what I mean? But it's so good. Like, I love the wand too. Look, let me show you guys. The wand is actually pretty nice. Look how pretty that is. And it's also, it has like a curved kind of like wand, which I love, and that it really gets in your lash. You know, I think this was like $3 if I'm not mistaken. I'll link everything down below, but they're so good, especially that they're super affordable. So do recommend getting these. But yeah, you guys, that is it for my Ulta haul. It was pretty quick, but I really wanted to show you guys what I got at Ulta. I never do these videos, so I really wanted to do it. Let me know if you guys want me to keep doing like hauls like that, like this, like very quick hauls, what I get when I shop. Let me know if you guys want to see like those kinds of videos. Yeah, let me know on the comments down below, or simply just like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. So yeah, oh, and also press the bell notification bell button so you guys can get notified every time I upload new videos and new content for y'all. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.